Welcome to the series. Hey everyone, welcome to the first episode of my brand new AI design series, where we are AI tools to design cool, creative, and useful web pages. In this episode, we are starting something fun, a 404 error base, but just not a 404. We are making the animated, responsive, and designed with AI using GitHub Copilot AI agent mode. And yep, we are using this hilarious caveman GIF to bring to the life. Let's jump in. Our goal, create a 404 using not boring. We want it to be mobile responsive, Tailwind CSS powered, funny and animated, AI assist. This is perfect for Laravel, React, or any static website. GitHub Copilot agent mode in action. Now let's find the GitHub Copilot agent mode. If you are new on this agent mode, it is like ChatGPT for your code editor. It can generate page structure, suggest style, insert buttons and text, even debug for explain code. I will write command on like animated 404 and Copilot will write the HTML and Tailwind classes for me, just like that. Then hit enter and select here ask mode to agent mode, and it will create your project in few seconds. Wait a few seconds, it's creating our project, and then if it ask permission, you need to create your workspace. Create workspace and select folder, and it will continue. And you can see this your project and folder is created. You can see these three files and folders with our GIF file. We have give it, and you can see a index file, and you can click here and select preview. Now let's add our star on this show, this animated caveman. He will sit beside the center of this page, reminding visitor that this page hasn't been invited yet. We will style this page to be centered with a bold message and clean go home button. And boom, he added the GIF file on this project. Okay, we need to be change this project. Let give him another command to change this project, change this page design. Let's command him to change this page design, and our you can see background color and image color is not matching. So let's say him to update this. You can simply accept this and change it, to say this image background, and change this page design, and you can simply copy the URL and press in your browser, and you can see this page will be show perfectly. There is some border on this image, and there is some uh, shadows on this image. Let's remove this, and the image is too small. So let's tell him to update. He update the border and image made the image bigger, but its um shadow is not looking good. Let's change remove shadow and change let's remove the shadow, and he update the shadow from this design. And next we will be update our design. Let's give him a command. Okay, wait some time. It will take some time to update full page design, and you can see boom, it's just did it. It's looking a stunning design on our page. You can simplify it, go to your browser, and you can see this image is working perfectly, and this page looking very beautiful. Here's the final result, fun, clean, and powerful by AI. You can have a unique 404 that shows off your creativity and your tools. And guess what? This is just a beginning. In the next episode of the AI design series, we will build a landing page with a GPT generated copy, images, and layout state turned. If you like this, hit this like, subscribe, and share with your dear friends. Comment below what kind of pages you want to build next. AI. See you episode 2.